Welcome to Flameless Delights.
Today what is recipe?
Today's recipe is vegetable salad. Purita, what are all ingredients we need?
On carrot, capsicum, onion, tomato, cucumber, corn, sprouts, lemon.
Karthik, can you help me washing with these vegetables?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Full veg. Ella wash ಮಾಡಿ.
Let's start chopping it. Purita, can you peel carrot and cucumber?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Purita, meanwhile I'll chop all the vegetables. Guys, we have finished chopping it. Let's start plating it.
Puraj forgot the important thing.
What is it?
Salt and pepper powder.
Okay. Let's add a little bit of lemon and chaat masala.
Okay.
Karthik, can you squeeze lemons for us?
Yes.
Guys, we have done delicious and healthy vegetable salad.
Purvaj and team, did you finish vegetable salad?
Yes, ma'am. You can taste it, ma'am.
Yeah. Wow, very super, very tasty,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Purvita and Karthik.
Hi, guys. Welcome to Flameless Delights. Hari, what is today's special?
Today's special is ABC juice.
Okay. Hari, what all ingredients we need?
We need for apple carrot beetroot.
Okay.
Puraj, you can wash it? Yes. Puraj will start the cutting? Yes. Puraj will cut the beetroot.
Okay. Now I know. We have to cut the apple, right? Ingredients are ready. We'll make the juice. Hari, is it ready?
Yes, Puraj, you can say it.
Okay. Our ABC juice is ready. Rajesh, what are you doing today?
Today we are preparing vegetarian sandwich.